In this lecture, we will take a closer look at inventory management for random demand and lead times. Let me again start out by looking at the big picture. We have explored inventory management models for known demand, both dependent demand models and independent demand models. Now we're ready to talk about the group of models that help us make inventory decisions in light of randomness in demand and lead times. Just to give you a sense of what lies ahead, here's a high-level overview. We will learn about both multiple order models and single order models. Let's tackle multiple order models first. Multiple order models are relevant for items that can be stored in inventory and replenished as needed. Such models are quite different from single order models that apply when we talk about products such as newspapers. After all, it wouldn't make sense to keep today's newspapers in inventory for sale tomorrow or next week. When it comes to multiple order models, we will distinguish between periodic and continuous review models. I will explain the difference between these types of models in a separate lecture. The key feature that is shared across all these random demand and lead time models is that they allow us to make inventory decisions in the face of uncertainty. But what exactly do we mean by uncertainty? Let's take a closer look. Uncertainty essentially arises from two key sources. First, there is demand uncertainty. Simply put, we just don't know exactly what customer demand will be in the future. But we may know what demand tends to be on average. We will call this average demand D bar. And we may have some idea of the random spread of demand observations around the mean. We will call this measure of variability sigma sub d, which is simply the standard deviation of demand. Together, the average and the standard deviation describe the probability distribution of demand. Lead times are the second source of uncertainty, since deliveries might be delayed due to strikes, natural disasters, or operational breakdowns, for example. Again, we can describe the nature of the distribution of lead times with two key parameters: the average lead time, L bar, and the standard deviation of lead times, sigma sub L. The overall degree of uncertainty we need to deal with in the context of inventory management is essentially the combination of demand uncertainty and lead time uncertainty. In slightly more technical terms, we quote-unquote merge the demand and lead time distributions to obtain the distribution of lead time demand. The mean of this distribution is simply the product of average demand D bar and average lead times L bar. We'll call this DL bar. This may sound more complicated than it actually is. Let's say that average demand for a product is 10 units per week, and let's say that the average lead time is 2 weeks. Then what is the average demand volume during the average lead time? It is simply 10 times 2 or 20. This is the product of D bar and L bar. Similarly, sigma sub DL will be the standard deviation of this distribution of lead time demand. This is an all-important parameter. In fact, this is our measure of uncertainty. The greater this value, the greater the combined degree of demand and lead time uncertainty. To calculate the standard deviation of lead time demand, we will use this formula. I know this looks a little complicated, but trust me, it's just basic math, and we won't get bogged down by that. Here's the big takeaway. There is a specific measure of uncertainty, and that measure is the standard deviation of lead time demand. This measure combines both demand and lead time uncertainty. And if we take a look at the formula for this standard deviation of lead time demand, we see that uncertainty arises as the level and variability of demand increase, and as the average and variability of lead times go up. In the next several video lectures, we will explore how we can leverage our ability to clearly define and measure uncertainty in a way that allows us to make better inventory decisions in an environment that is marked by randomness in both demand and lead times.